Today, let's make a steampunk Valentine's charm. Let us start by quickly mixing the resin and red alcohol in. I am hoping to mimic the deep red of the garnet stone. This heart-shaped silicone mold is the canvas of my tiny resin art project. This color has gravity and is perfect for making this Valentine keychains tag. I'm swirling the resin around a bit to ensure full coverage, and now I will leave it to cure. My resin canvas is all cured and ready. I will be using some champagne colored glitter, these rose gold gears and crafting caviar to give it that steampunk effect, one lobster clasp and jump rings for final assembly. The cured resin piece is coming out easily. The color is gorgeous. I love this mold because the sides are nicely curved. The back surface is smooth and will require no additional finishing. The front has a wavy edge with bubbles and looks unfinished. This was expected though. I will sand them down so that the edges get a cleaner definition and provides a better grip with the UV resin. The edges have been leveled. The raised profile will come in handy, as we will see later in the video. Now we see how the raised edge helps here. If my canvas were flat, the doming would create a harsh line between the red and the clear resin. This way, the color blends smoothly from the side to the front. You can't really tell where the background ends and where the foreground begins. Doming went without any glitches, just checking for that stray lint or a speck of dust which often ruins the finish. Luckily, there are none this time. This charm is translucent without compromising on the background necessary for the gears to pop. You can even see the silhouette of the gears from the back. The gears represent time, the colors the depth of emotion. This is looking fabulous. The glitter amount is perfect. It is just enough to create a subtle shimmer when the light hits it at an angle. My charm is ready. It says to the receiver, like the gears of a clock, my love for you is constant and true. If you love this project, please like and subscribe. Happy crafting and have a wonderful day.